Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another set of beautiful nails. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this holographic polish by Color Club, and it's a holographic polish. So remember, whenever I'm doing rhinestones or doing a full nail of rhinestones, I like to go in with this color. That way if anything falls off, it won't be as noticeable because it matches the rhinestones. Then I'm going to go in with this white polish by GLAM, and it is a gel polish, and this will be a base for my glitter. I'm using a fairy dust glitter, so it's like a pinkish kind of whitish glitter. So I polish the nail, I clean around the cuticle area. As you can see, I put the little container right under the nail so any loose glitter just falls back in there. I'm using a cuticle pusher to pick up the glitter, and then I'm just gonna make sure you dab the glitter onto the nail, make sure it doesn't come off. So same thing for this finger. I'm going to apply the polish, and once again, this is a pure white polish by GLAM, and it is a gel polish. I'm going to clean around the cuticle area. Then I'm going to use my cuticle pusher to pick up the glitter, and I'm going to sprinkle it on the nail. And you want to make sure that you like move their finger or turn their finger over to the side, that way you get that glitter all over the nail. Then we're going to dab the excess glitter off and just put it under the light for 60 seconds. And for the rest of the nails, I'm going to be doing this gel polish in the color Bubble Bath by OPI. And we're going to cure those for 30 seconds. And we're going to do 2 coats of that polish. And another color that I'm using is this Essie polish in the color Sugar Daddy. That's the closest that I had to the Bubble Bath color. So I'm doing a ombre effect on this nail, so I like to use my regular polish for that. And then for the rest, I'm still going to do the Bubble Bath. Alrighty, so for my ombre effect, I'm using my white GLAM polish in the color Pure White and that same Sugar Daddy pink. I put it on my sponge and just dab it on the nail. So you want to just keep doing this until you get the right coverage that you want. And once again, I'm using that Sugar Daddy polish by Essie and my Pure White by GLAM. So now I'm going to go in with my Broadway nail art paint. I'm just going to be drawing a couple of lines on this nail, and then at the end I'm going to be applying some bling on it as well. so I'm going to move over to this hand for now while the other one dries, and I'm going to do my bling. So I'm using my SS6 and SS12 rhinestones. I'm also using a bigger piece, and then I'm using my Mia Secret gel resin as well as my wax pencil. Alrighty, so for this finger, I'm doing a full nail of rhinestones. So once again, I'm using my SS6 and my SS12 as well as that bigger rhinestone. So once again, I'm using my Mia Secret gel resin and I'm using my wax pencil. So remember, whenever you're doing the full nail of rhinestones, you want to just alternate from different sizes. As you can see, I do one big one and then one small, one big, one small, and it's kind of like a puzzle. You just want to fill in the spots with just different sizes, and we're just going to do that all over the nail. Alrighty, and now I'm just gonna apply my gel top coat. So I'm using my IBD gel top coat, which you can find on eBay, so I'll leave the link in the description. And like I said before, it is a non-cleanse, so I don't have to go back and clean anything off. I just apply my cuticle oil and I'll be done. So after this, I'm gonna cure them for 60 seconds. so now I'm just applying my clear pineapple cuticle oil, and I'm just going to massage that onto her cuticle area. So this is the final look. They turned out really pretty. That glitter is so pretty. This video did no justice to that glitter, but they turned out really pretty and they're so shiny. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at GetNailed32, and stay tuned for more videos to come.